Hi everyone, my name is Sundeep Gopagoni and this is a day in my life as a technical service engineer at Johns Manville. My day usually starts around 4:30 a.m. The house is still quiet and everyone is fast asleep. I always start with yoga. It helps me wake up and clear my mind. I'm also a certified yoga trainer, so it's more than just a routine. After that, I take a quiet moment for morning prayer. Morning prayer is performed to express gratitude, seek blessings, and align the mind with peace and purpose. Then it's time to head to the office. I work out of Waterville, Ohio plant as a senior technical service engineer for our fiberglass business. I help customers solve problems, whether it is process optimization, troubleshooting, or product trials. That means I travel a lot, and I really value the strong relationships I have built over the time. After work, it's all about family time. Playing cricket outside with my two boys is the best way to unwind and enjoy the moment. That's a glimpse into my day. Thanks for taking the time to join me.